folks, Chris Mackled here with Keller Williams Realty Maui, Big Island Division and the Hawaii team. Today we're going to do a preview of a home up in Kohala Ranch. It's listed by a friend of mine named Catherine Klug, who's with Hapuna Realty, and it's co-listed with Holly Algood with Algood Hawaii LLC. Beautiful home, over 2,500 square feet on a large lot. It's 3.26 acres. Most of the Kohala Ranch home sites are fairly large. Gosh, they go all the way up to 10, 20 acres for really big ones. So amazing views there. There's a lot of slope to the land, so the views of the ocean are usually always incredible. So I'm really excited to see this home, and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's go take a look. All right, everyone, thanks again for joining me for this preview tour of the beautiful home on Kipa Way in Kohala Ranch. Special thanks once again to Catherine and Holly for letting me come through and take a video. Remember, if you or anyone you know wants to buy, sell, or invest in real estate here on the Big Island of Hawaii or anywhere in Hawaii, feel free to reach out to us at the number on your screen or at thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.